Hello guys, in this video we're going to talk about how to change your Facebook profile picture without losing likes and comments. So, the simple answer to that question, if it's really possible, is it's not. Okay? So, it's just a clarification video where we will clarify that it's not possible to change your profile picture without losing the likes and comments because it's just a feature that's supposed to be really standardized, and don't expect that you can change it as easily as possible. So when you try to change your photo right here, so your profile picture, and you change it to another one right here, it's gonna upload as a separate type of profile picture, which is basically just gonna make it a new one. Therefore, you will lose any status. So it's like when you're saying you want to duplicate a bottle basically and you want to duplicate its contents, it's not just physically possible. You'll just have to make a new bottle and you'll have to physically just make new content. It's just that simple. So you cannot change your Facebook profile picture without losing it, like your likes and comments. So you will just have to retain it and just use it again, and you will just gain new ones. So it's just that simple. So just don't be stubborn about it, and it's not possible. So there you go, guys. That is how you do it. Basically, that's not how you do it. It's just you can't do it at all. So there you go, guys.